Well, hello again out there. So it's been about 2 months since fire destroyed the Incense Dragon workshop and storage and all that good stuff. So I wanted to give you an update, post-fire update after the 2 months and a few weeks. Uh, there's a lot of good news actually. One is that you see that the demo on the shop has been done. We are back down to just the foundation. Uh, and in a couple of months, who knows exactly how many, they will be back out here to put together the new shop. So that is very good news. The even better news is the business is fully back up and running again. We don't have everything back in stock yet. We pretty much have everything sitting here, but there's a lot of things that have to be powdered and packaged and processed, and that isn't all done yet. But we are well on our way, and you'll find all of our primary products, I think pretty much all of them are back in stock now or will be in the next week or two. So if you bought anything from us since the fire, I just want to say again, thank you very much. It made a huge difference for us, not just financially, but also just knowing so many people supported us. And for those who didn't even buy anything but did respond to us and lend us some moral support, we really appreciate you too. That first 3 weeks after the fire was very, very difficult, very, very devastating. But we had some wonderful people saying, chins up and you'll make it. And they were right. We have made it. So we are definitely back in business. We're kind of jammed into our house now. The den is now business production area. One of the bedrooms is warehousing, and we've given over a closet to warehousing as well. And we're having to do some of our production work outdoors. So it's a big adventure. But hopefully, we are told by the end of October we will have a new shop. We'll see if that happens or not. But hopefully by the end of the year at least we will. And yeah, the Incense Dragon lives on. We will be bigger and better after this is over. But I just wanted to give you one more update. Now, the next video that you will see after this one on the Incense Dragon channel is going to be an incense making video. Yay! So been waiting to do that for quite some time. So it'll be good to get back to doing, what we actually do. So again, thank you everybody for your support. And the next time I see you, we'll be making some incense. Bye-bye.